Hello, scholars, and welcome to this week's science activity video. And as always, whenever performing or conducting a science experiment or activity, please make sure that you have a responsible adult with you to make sure that you remain safe. Okay, so this week you've been reading about and learning about sedimentary rock. As we know, sedimentary rock is formed from different minerals and deposits covering the Earth's oceans and layering and layering and layering until they become part of Earth's surface. So today we're going to focus on creating a model of sedimentary rock over time using items that we have or may have right available in our homes.
For the first part, we will use the flour, warm water, and the salt. So you're going to take about 2 teaspoons of the flour and place that into a separate cup. Then you're going to add about 2 or 3 teaspoons of the warm water. If you would like to add 4 teaspoons, that's fine. Next, you're going to take your salt and you're going to eyeball, or you can use the same teaspoon and measure about half a teaspoon of salt. Once you add all those ingredients into that same cup, you're going to mix it together. You're going to continue to mix until you get a nice creamy mixture. Once it's nice and creamy, you're going to layer it out so that it's nice and flat, and you're going to let that dry overnight. Once it dries overnight, you're going to add a layer of your beans. I chose mung beans. And you just want enough to cover the plaster mix that you've made. Next, you're going to add a layer of your rice on top of the mung beans. And again, this is just enough to cover the mung beans. You want a nice smooth layer. When you're done with that, remember that mixture we made yesterday? You're going to do it again and make another mixture, and you're going to pour that on top of your rice and smooth it out.
Now, scholars, once your model has hardened, I want you to make some observations. What do you notice has happened in your model? What can you see? What can't you see? And what do you think will happen if you continue to make layers using other materials? So you can continue making the layers on your own, but I am very curious to know what you have found if you have continued to make those layers. So if you do, please take pictures and post them. And also comment below of what you observe, what you don't see, and what you hope to see when you make more layers. That's it for today, scholars. Keep exploring, keep being curious, and keep doing learning. Bye.